In this video, we are going to see about clipper circuit using op-amp. We will also see how to design a positive clipper circuit and a negative clipper circuit. First of all, what do you mean by a clipper? Normally, we use hair clippers to remove the top portion of our hair. Similarly, there are nail clippers. We need a clippers in electronics. Basically, they come under the category of wave shaping circuits. That is, it changes the shape of the waveform. For example, I have a voltage waveform like this, and you can notice that there is a voltage surge here. This signal I cannot directly give it to my equipment because this will affect my equipment. So I need to clip off this particular portion of the waveform. So for this I need a clipper circuit. If you take some audio signal, sometimes you need to remove the top portion as well as the remaining portion. So there we call it as a positive clipping and negative clipping. So clippers are basically a circuit which is used to clip off certain portion of the input voltage to get our desired output. For example, if I have a sine waveform, I don't want this particular portion of this waveform. I can use a clipper circuit so that my output will be something like this. That is, I have clipped off this particular portion of the input signal. So now let us see how to use an op-amp as a clipper circuit. So a precision diode can be used for the clipping operation. So already in the previous video we have seen about the precision diode. So this is the circuit. So we need to do some modification in the circuit to work it as a clipper circuit. So the clipping level, how much you have to clip from the input signal is determined by a reference voltage. So we need to set the reference voltage. So for a clipper circuit, you need an op-amp, diode, as well as you have to set a reference voltage using some resistors. So there are two types of clipper circuit. One is called the positive clipper and the other one is the negative clipper. So depending upon which portion of the input waveform you want to clip it off, you call it as a positive clipper or a negative clipper. So the positive clipper mainly clips off the positive portions of the input signal. So I have taken a sine waveform. In that I want to remove the portions above the reference line, means I can go for a positive clipper. If I want to remove the negative portions of the waveform, I have to go for a negative clipper. So let us see about this positive and negative clipper in detail now. First we will see what is a positive clipper. So you can see here the input is given to the plus terminal and here diode direction, you see the direction of the diode, it is connected in this way, and this resistor, so this is connected to the power supply to set the reference voltage. So this V0 is always set to this reference voltage, V reference. Okay, so by adjusting the pot you can change the reference voltage. So this is the input signal, a sinusoidal signal, and this is the V reference, so which is given by this blue line. Okay, this is the reference line. Now we will see the operation of this positive clipper for input voltage less than the reference voltage, that is during this period. Okay, this yellow color. So during this range, what happens? This is smaller, whereas V0 is held at V reference voltage. So the diode will be in conduction because here it is more, V reference is more compared to the input voltage. So the diode will conduct. If diode conducts, is basically a voltage follower circuit. So the op-amp is a voltage follower circuit. So the output should be equal to input. So for this range, when the input is less than the V reference, the output will be equal to the input voltage. Whereas during this period, that is when the input voltage is greater than the V reference, this range, this particular period. So here V reference is less compared to the input voltage. So this diode will be in off condition. So when the diode is not conducting, the op amp will enter into open loop mode. So there is no connection here. But V0 is always held at V reference voltage. So V0 will be equal to reference. So when the diode is not conducting, the output voltage will be equal to the reference voltage here. So now we will draw the waveform. So during this period, it acts as a voltage follower. But whenever the input voltage exceeds the V reference, the upper portion gets clipped off, or the output will be equal to the V reference only. So you will get V reference here. Again the voltage decreases, so it follows the input waveform, and when the input voltage exceeds, it will be set to V reference. So this is the operation of a positive clipper. Now you might get a doubt, what happens if we change the reference voltage? So I can keep the reference voltage anywhere, I can alter it. I can even reduce the V reference to the negative side. Okay, I can have a negative reference also. So let us see how it works. Now I have kept the reference here. Okay, so instead of a positive reference, I have kept a negative reference. So what happens here? Now, if V reference is negative, you can see here V reference is negative here. The same thing happens. If the input voltage is greater than the V reference, it will be clipped off, and only this lower portion will be appearing in the waveform, and the remaining waveform will be clipped off. So this is the positive clipper, where whatever waveform is above the V reference will be clipped off. Next we will see the negative clipper. So negative clipper is not a new circuit. It is basically from a positive clipper. You can easily convert it to a negative clipper by changing two things. One is the diode direction. Change this diode direction. Another one, change the polarity of the V reference. Okay. So here we have taken negative reference. So negative clipper will clip off the negative part of the input signal below V reference. So you can see here the V reference is negative. Since V reference is negative, V0 is held at minus V reference. Now this end is negative compared to this one. So diode will be in conduction. Output will be equal to input, because the op amp acts as a voltage follower. So till this point it acts as a voltage follower. Here the input voltage falls below the V reference. So in such a case the diode will go off. So when the diode is in off condition, V0 will be equal to minus V reference. So the output will be minus V reference in this range. Again it follows the input voltage because the diode comes into conduction. So here also we have set the V reference as negative, but you can make the V reference positive also. So if V reference is positive, your waveform is going to be like this. Only the negative part which falls below the V reference will be clipped. So let us recall what we have seen. A clipper circuit is a circuit which is used to clip off certain portions of the input voltage. A precision diode can be used for that purpose, and the clipping level is determined by the reference voltage. There are two types of clipper. Positive clipper, this is a circuit, and you will get depending upon the reference voltage, the positive portions will be clipped off. Negative clipper, you have two changes in the positive clipper. So one is the diode direction, the other one is the V reference polarity. So if you change these two, you can convert a positive clipper to a negative clipper, and the negative portions of the waveform, whatever is below the V reference, will be clipped off using a negative clipper. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel. Thank you.